It's your boy JD back with another one. Today I will be showing you how to do a battery on a Buick Enclave. So first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and push up the passenger seat. Next thing you want to do is you go on ahead and remove this panel. And you also want to remove this one. This is a T20 Torx bit. So go ahead and just pull this one up and go ahead and remove that. Alright, next you do have a 13mm battery bracket holder, so you're going to want to go ahead and remove that next. Alright, so what you want to do next is you want to go ahead and remove your negative terminal. It is a 10mm. Alright, then after you remove your negative, you want to go ahead and remove your positive. The terminal is a 10mm. Now, once you remove your positive cable, you can go ahead and just move that off to the side along with the wires. That way you're able to pull the battery straight out. Alright, now once you get your new battery, you're going to want to go ahead and connect your breather hose. It is along this side. So what I did was, since I'm using one hand and it's a tight space, kind of just pushed it in there a little bit like that, and then just kind of move the battery back so that you press up against it and make sure that it's all the way in firm. Now what you want to do next is you want to go ahead and connect your positive terminal back first. Alright, so once you get your positive terminal back on there, you want to go ahead and tighten it down. Now after that, you're going to want to go ahead and connect your negative. Alright. And then finally, you're going to want to put your battery holder slash bracket back in place. That way your battery can stay in place while you are driving. Now you can also put this back in before you put the terminals back on. Might be a little easier, which is probably what I should have done. But once you get your bracket in place and you have the bolt lined up, which I'm about to do now, you can go ahead and tighten it down and then you'll be all done.